A very good afternoon to all of you. Uh, I congratulate all of you for having qualified into the finals of this event. I'll just take you through the rules in the next 5 minutes. And if you have any doubts, you can question. And if you have no doubts, then we'll start. All right. So the finals of Axiom will be conducted in 4 rounds. Okay. The first round will be the mental ability round. In this, for each question, you will get uh, for each question you will get 1 minute, and you have to unmute your mic and say the answer. There is no system of any WhatsApp group or typing the answers anywhere. You just have to unmute and answer within the time limit. Please note that there is no time bar. There is no the just like it was in the prelims, there was a bar which was draining on the screen. We do not have any bar right now. We'll just say time starts, and we'll measure it through a stopwatch. And when 1 minute is over, or whenever the time is over, we'll say time up. And you have to answer before the time ends. So the round one will be mental ability. Now, the second round will be the maths round. In this, you will get 2 minutes per question. The question will be displayed on the screen. You will have 2 minutes. And even in this round, you see all the questions are MCQ questions. You have 4 options, and you have to unmute and you have to just say whichever is the answer, option A, option B, option C. And please note that no question in no round is possible. Whichever question is for whichever team, you can answer, or if you don't know the answer, then you can say I don't know, or you cannot answer. That's not an issue, but please note that the questions are not possible. So do not expect that if your previous team hasn't answered, then you will get the chance to answer. And the third round will be again a mental ability round, but in this you will get 30 seconds per question. Again, same process. Question will be displayed. You have to read the question and you have to answer by unmuting yourself within that time period. If you delay, then no marks will be given. And the fourth round will be again a maths round, pure mathematics. But in this maths round, you will get only 30 seconds per question. Again, same process. The question will be displayed. You have to read the question. I will read out the question as well as the options for you. And then I will say time starts. You will get 30 seconds. Within those 30 seconds, you have to answer. Otherwise, your answer won't be considered. Now, the marking scheme, the markings for the first 2 rounds, that is the first mental ability round and the first pure mathematics round. For each question, you have 10 marks each. All right. For each question, you have 10 marks each. And for the second and for the third and fourth round, that is the second mental ability and the second pure maths round. For each question, you have 20 marks each. All right. So the third and fourth round, you will get 30 seconds and the 20 marks each. All right. So Orion, your video is off. All right. So till now, do you have any queries?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we will directly say the answer, or we have to first raise our hand and you will say to
No,
reply.
no. See, the questions are straight addressed to one team. This is not a common question for everyone. All right. Like, like suppose
Yes,
question, suppose question one. I will say question one is for team Draco. So only team Draco has to answer. No one else has to answer. One by one, we'll come to every team. All right.
yes, sir.
Means each of you will get 4 questions. Means each of you will get one question in every round. That is, in total 4 rounds, you all will get 4 questions each. All right. There is no question of, there is no scope of any possible questions. I'm repeating this over and over again. If you cannot answer, the next team will get a separate question. There is no chance of anyone, saying ki, I know the answer, I want to answer. Is there any more doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, will you repeat the question? Or there's only, like, you are going to say the question only one time?
No, I will see if you have not understood. If you have not understood, I will repeat the question, but the timer, once I start the timer, I will not repeat the question. Once I have read out the question and the options, I will say your time starts now. And after that, there is no scope of repeating any question. And within the time limit, you have to answer.
Okay, sir.
Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Please note that whichever team's name I will call out, only that team has to answer. No one else will answer. Every team has their separate questions. All right. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Sir, I am starting my video, but it is showing that the host had stopped it.
Okay, let me see.
Yes, sir. Now it is coming. Yes, sir. Now it is okay.
Okay. If there are small changes in the rules, like the different rounds have small differences in their rules. So I will repeat the rules before every round to make sure that there is no confusion, and we'll keep you updated with the scores after every round, who is leading and who is lagging behind. Okay. If everyone is ready, we can begin. Please give me a thumbs up. Is everyone ready?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Can we please have a mic check for everyone? Phoenix,
Yes, sir.
Orion,
Yes, sir.
Crux,
Yes, sir.
Draco,
Yes.
Cygnus,
Yes, sir.
Origa.
Yes, sir.
All right. So everyone's mic is working as well. We'll now start. So these are the rules. I have already explained them to you. If you still want to read, I'll read it out. There are 4 rounds, 2 mental ability and 2 pure maths rounds. Every round will have 6 questions. All questions are non-passable. Each team will have its own separate question. The time for each question will be mentioned at the starting of every round. As I told you, the first round is 1 minute. The second round is 2 minutes per question, and the third and fourth rounds are 30 seconds per question. Marks for every round will be mentioned at the starting of the round. Obviously, you will have to answer the question by unmuting your mic, and the participant's camera will be switched on throughout the quiz. We'll now start with round 1. This is mental ability round, and there is the time limit of 60 seconds per question. The first question is for Team Orion. All right. So here's the first question. At what time in minutes between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, both the needles will coincide each other? Option A, 56 by 11. Option B, 136 by 11. Option C, 147 by 11. And option D, 180 by 11. Your time starts now.
One 47/11. Option C.
All right, let us check whether your answer is correct or not. No. Option D was correct. 180/11. All right. So the next question is for Team Crux. Team Crux, here's your question. The statement: he stressed the need to stop the present examination system and its replacement by other methods, which would measure the real merit of the students. Conclusions: examinations should be abolished. The present examination systems does not measure the real merit of the students. Now your options are: only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, either 1 or 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows, or both 1 and 2 follow. Your time starts now. Sorry, did you say something?
Yeah, option B, only conclusion 2 follows.
All right, let us check whether your answer is correct or not. Yes, option B is correct. Only conclusion 2 follows. So Team Crux is leading with 10 points. Now, question for Team Phoenix. 6 girls are sitting in a circle facing to the center of the circle. They are P, Q, R, S, T, and V. T is not between Q and S, but some other one. P is next to the left of V. R is fourth to the right of P. Which of the following statements is not true? Option A: S is just next to the right to R. T is just next to the right of V. R is second to the left of T, or P is second to the right of R. Your time starts now. Thirty seconds left.
Option D.
Sorry, option
Option D.
D.
D. D. P is second to the right of R.
Okay. Let us check whether your answer is correct or not. No. Option C is correct. R is second to the left of T. The next question is for Team Draco. Team Draco, here's your question. If 4 April 1988 fell on Monday, what day of the week was 3rd November 1987? Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Wednesday? Your time starts now.
Option D, Wednesday.
All right, let's check whether option D is correct or not. No, option B was correct. It would have been a Tuesday. So let us proceed. The next question is for Team Cygnus. Team Cygnus, here's your question. Here are some words translated from an artificial language. Daftophony means advertisement. Immodafta means misadvice. Imolocti means misconduct. Then which of the word could mean statement? There's no point in reading the options. You have to read and understand. Your time starts now.
Sir, B.
All right. So Team Cygnus has said B. Let us check whether it is correct or not. No. The correct answer was option A. Crataphony. So now the last question of this round. This question is for Team Auriga. Team Auriga, this is your question. If $A means A is the brother of B, A@B means A is the wife of B, A#B means A is the daughter of B, and A*B means A is the father of B. Which of the following indicates that U is the father-in-law of B? Option A, B, C, D are visible. Your time starts now. 30 seconds.
Sir, option C.
All right, so Team Auriga has said option C. Let us check whether it is correct or not. No. Once again, the answer was option A. P@Q$T #U*V. So let me read out the scores for this round. Only Team Crux has scored 10 points, and rest all the teams are at 0 points. Now I'll hand over the mic to Abhinav. He will conduct the second round for the quiz.
Okay, now we will begin with round 2, which is the pure mathematics round. The time limit for this round will be 2 minutes each question. Anyone has any doubt? Okay, the first question for Team Auriga. Let f of x be a quadratic equation which is positive for all values of x. G of x equals to f of x plus f dash of x plus f double dash of x. Then for any real x. Your time starts now. 1 minute remaining. Fifteen seconds left. Time up. Team Origa could not answer the first question. Let us check the answer. The answer was B, g of x is greater than 0. Okay, now the next question for Team Cygnus. The term independent of x in the expansion of 1 by 60 minus x to the power 8 by 81 into 2x square minus 3 by x square whole to the power 6 is equal to. One minute remaining. Fifteen seconds are left.
Sir, 36. B.
Okay. Okay, they have answered B, 36. Sorry, the option was A, minus 36. So no point to Team Cygnus. Now the question is for Team Draco. Let S be the set of all triangles in the xy plane such that each one has vertex at the origin and the other two vertices lie on the coordinate axis with integral coordinates. If each triangle in set S has area 50 square units, then the number of elements in the set is. Time starts now.
Option A 36.
Let me check the answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. 10 points to Team Draco. Now the question is for Team Phoenix. F of z when divided by z minus I gives remainder I. When divided by z plus I gives remainder I plus 1. When f of z is divided by z square plus 1, the remainder is. Your time starts now. One minute remaining. Fifteen seconds are remaining.
Option C.
Okay, they have answered option C. Option C is the correct answer. So 10 marks to Team Phoenix. Next question is for Team Crux. The value of alpha belonging to R for which 4 alpha x square plus 1 by x is greater than equal to 1 for all x greater than 0 is. Your time starts now. One minute left.
Option B.
Okay, he has answered option B. Sorry, the option is option D, 1 by 27. Now the next question is for Team Orion. Integrate the following. x minus 10c1 x square plus 10c2 x cube minus 10c3 x to the power 4 up to 10c10 x to the power 11 dx equals. Your time starts now. One minute remaining.
Option D.
He has answered option D. Let us check. Sorry, the answer is option B. Now I'll be handing over the mic to my teammate Rickpal Ghosh.
Sir,
Yes.
my question.
Which team is this?
Auriga.
The first question was for you.
No, sir.
I clearly mentioned the first question is for Team Auriga. You did not respond.
Sir, I cannot understand the pronunciation.
Okay, we'll ask you one question at the end of the quiz. For now, let
Yes,
us
sir.
move
Please
on.
ask the question. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, at the end of the quiz, you will be asked your extra question. Now we'll move on with round
Yes,
3.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, the scorecard is as follows. Team Orion is at 0 points. Team Crux is at 10 points. Team Phoenix is at 10 points. Team Draco is at 10 points. Team Cygnus is at 0 and Team Auriga is at 0.
Okay, now we will begin with round 3, mental ability, and the time limit for each question is 30 seconds. We will go in the reverse order. First question to Team Orion. Question 1. Umesh directly went from P to Q, which is 9 feet distant. Then he turns to the right and walked 4 feet. After this, he turned to the right and walked a distance which is equal from P to Q. Finally, he turned to the right and walked 3 feet. How far is he now from P? Option A, 6 feet. Option B, 5 feet. Option C, 1 feet. Option D, 0 feet. Your time starts now.
Six feet. Option A.
Actually, you have answered after the time limit was over.
You did not say anything about the time.
The correct answer is option C, 1 feet. Moving on to the next team, Crux. The second question. A car owner buys petrol at rupees 7.50, rupees 8, and rupees 8.50 per liter for 3 successive years. What approximately is the average cost per liter of petrol if he spends rupees 4,000 each year? Option A, rupees 7.98. Option B, rupees 8. Option C, rupees 8.50. Or option D, rupees 9. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer for this question was option A, rupees 7.98. So Crux, you don't get any points. Moving on to the third question for Phoenix. Choose the figure which is different from the rest. The figures are given below. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Your time starts now.
Option B, 2.
Option B. Let's check. Yes, option B, it's correct. Plus 20 to Phoenix. Moving on to Team Draco. Question 4. Find out which of the figures 1, 2, 3, and 4 can be formed from the pieces given in figure X. Your time starts now.
Option 3.
Option 3. Let's check. Yes, it's the correct answer. Plus 20 to Team Draco. Moving on to next team Cygnus. Question 5. All the faces of a cube are painted with blue color. Then it is cut into 125 small equal cubes. How many small cubes will be formed having only one face colored? Option A, 54. Option B, 8. Option C, 16. Or option D, 24. Your time starts now.
Sir, 16.
16. Let's check the answer. No, it's option A, 54. So no points to Team Cygnus. Moving on to the last question to Team Auriga. Find number of triangles in the given figure. The figure is given below. Options are option A, 24, option B, 26, option C, 28, option D, 22. Your time starts now.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Let's check. Yes, that's the correct answer. Plus 20 to Team Auriga. With this, we come to the end of the third round of mental ability. I would now like to hand over to Divyansh for conducting the fourth round, which is pure mathematics round. The scores for the third round is Team Orion with 0 points, Team Crux with 0 points, Team Phoenix with 20 points, Team Draco with 20 points, Team Cygnus with 0 points, Team Auriga with 20 points. And the overall scores are Team Orion with 0, Team Crux with 10, Team Phoenix with 30 points, Team Draco with 30 points, Team Cygnus with 0 points, Team Auriga with 20 points.
All right, so I'm back. Team Auriga, you had like there was a
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. That time you had we had missed a question for you. So
Yes, sir.
now I will read out a question for you. Please note this is not the fourth round. This
Yes, sir.
is in compensation for the inconvenience which was in the
Yes, sir.
second round.
Yes, sir.
We cannot display it on the PPT right now. I will read it out orally. If you have any questions, if you don't understand any part, you can ask, then
Yes,
you can
sir.
solve.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here's the question. Y is equal to x plus c. You can note it down. Y is equal to x plus c is a tangent to the curve. Y is equal to x plus c is a tangent to the curve 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144.
9x square
9x
tangent.
square
Yes, sir.
9x
9x.
square plus 16y square is equal to 144.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to x plus c is a tangent to the curve
Tangent.
9x square plus
Yes, sir.
16y square is equal to 144. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Then c is equal to, you have to find the value of c. Your options are -5, 5, plus -5, and 2. Your time starts now. You will get 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes?
sir, plus minus 5.
Yes, plus -5 is the correct answer. Plus 10 to Team Auriga. Because round 2 was of 10 points each, you will get plus 10 for this. We will now move over to the fourth round, which is the final round. For this round, you will be getting 30 seconds each. You'll be getting 30 seconds each, and same pattern. I will read out the questions as well as the options. You have to answer. I'll say time starts now, then you have to answer. All right. So now we'll start off with the last round. First question is for team Auriga. Integral log x by 1 plus log x the whole square dx is equal to option A, x by 1 minus log x plus c, option B, 2x by 1 plus log x plus c, option C, x by 1 plus log x plus c, D, 2x by 1 minus log x plus c. Your time starts now. You will get 30 seconds.
Sir, option C.
All right, so team Auriga has answered option C. Let us check. Yes, option C is correct. X by 1 plus log x plus constant. You have been awarded 20 points, team Auriga. The next question is for team Cygnus. The next question is for team Cygnus. The number of common tangents that can be drawn to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 is 1, 2, 3, or 4. Your time starts now.
Sir, 1.
All right, so you have answered option 1. Let us check whether it is correct or not. No, the correct answer was option C, 3. The next question is for team Draco. The next question is for team Draco. Integral cos x plus x sin x by x into cos x plus cos x dx is equal to log mod x plus cos x by x plus c, log mod x by x plus cos x plus c, log mod x into x plus cos x plus c, or log mod x into x sin x plus cos x plus c. Your time starts now.
Option B.
Option B.
Yes, option B.
B as in Bihar.
Yes, B as in Bihar.
All right, let us check whether it is correct or not. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Log mod x by x plus cos x plus c. The next question is for team
Excuse
Phoenix.
me, sir.
Yes.
Can you please remind me of 15 seconds?
Okay. I will
Thank you.
remind you. The next question is for team Phoenix. All right. So here's your question. The points on the curve y cube plus 3x square is equal to 12y, where the tangent is vertical, is plus minus 4 by root 3 comma 2, 2 comma 0, plus minus 4 by root 3 comma minus 2, or 0 comma 0. Your time starts now. Fifteen seconds are over.
Option A.
All right, let's check whether option A is correct or not. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Plus minus 4 by root 3 comma 2. The next question is for team Crux. The next question is for team Crux. Here's your question. How many photometers equal to the sum of 12 picometers and 1 nanometer? I'll just give you a slight hint. Photometers is another word for photometers is Fermi. If you have not read it, another word for photometers is Fermi. The options are visible to you. Your time starts now.
Option C.
Okay, let me check whether option C is correct or not. No, option D was correct. 1.002 into 10 raised to the power 6. The next question is for team Orion. This is the last question of this quiz. Question for team Orion. Here's your question. 9 minus 6y plus y square is equal to 9 minus x square minus 4 plus 4x. This is the equation of a circle with radius 3 units. What is the center of this circle? Minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, or 3 comma minus or 2 comma minus 3. Your time starts now.
Option B, minus 2 comma 3.
All right. So question you have answered option B. Let us check whether option B is correct or not. No, option C was correct. It was 2 comma 3. We'll calculate the scores, we'll total up the scores, and we'll speak to you within a minute. So we have a tiebreaker. Since team Phoenix, Draco, and team Origa, all three are tied with 50 points. Please listen carefully. Team Phoenix, team Draco, and team Origa are tied at 50 points each. So we will now have a tiebreaker. So for the tiebreaker, I will give you two questions, one by one. I will give you the first question, and you have to answer in the WhatsApp group in which you were added for the prelims round 2. There was a prelims round 2 yesterday, the mental ability round. You had been added in that WhatsApp group. Please go and send a hi please send a okay in that WhatsApp group to make sure that you have message in the correct group. These three teams, Phoenix, Draco, and Origa, please send a okay in your respective WhatsApp groups. Team Origa has sent. All right, all three teams have sent their okay. Now I will read out the question. Please note that when I will finish reading, I will say my time starts now. From that point, you will get 30 seconds. There are no options for these questions, and if you answer wrong, you will get a -5. So the answers, the marking scheme will be +10 and -5. If you answer correct, you get 10. If you answer wrong, you get -5. If you don't answer, you get a 0. All right. I will read out the question. Once I have finished reading the question, I will say your time starts now. And from that point, you will get 30 seconds to type your answer in the WhatsApp group. Beyond 30 seconds, the answer will not be accepted. All right. Is it clear? Please say a yes if it's clear. All three teams.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So I'm reading out the question. Please listen carefully.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please remind at 15 seconds?
Yes, I will remind at 15 seconds. If you
Excuse me,
don't
sir?
know, yes, please say. Finish.
So you'll ask two questions to each one of us, or
No,
two is common
these
for
are
us?
these are the common questions. And that's why you have to answer in your WhatsApp group so that the others cannot hear your answer.
Okay, sir. So there will be two questions.
One by one, I will ask the first question. You have to answer within 30 seconds. Then I will ask you the second question.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. So, just a second. Please, I am telling you again, these are common questions. These are not separate questions for each team. I will read out the question. All three teams have to answer the same question in your WhatsApp group. All right. I'm reading out the question now. Please listen carefully. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to dot 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 up to 10 cube is equal to 3025, then what will be the value of 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube dot 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 up to 20 cube? Your time starts now. Fifteen seconds are up. All right, time up. Only team Origa has answered, and it has sent the correct answer. The correct answer was 24200. So the other two teams did not answer. So as of now, Team Origa is leading. I will ask you one more question. The marking scheme is same. +10 for correct answer, -5 for a wrong answer, and 0 if you don't answer. Acha, listen, Team Origa, you don't have to answer this question. This tiebreaker is
Sir,
only
why?
for, no, because this is how tiebreakers work. You have answered the first question. Now,
Okay, sir.
now
Okay,
the
sir.
tie is between Phoenix and Draco. All right. So this question is for Team Phoenix and Team Draco. The same marking scheme, +10, -5, and 0. You have to answer within 30 seconds in your WhatsApp group. Please write as I read out the question. This is an equation, so you may find it important to write as I read along. Y is equal to x square minus 1. This is the first equation. The second equation is y is equal to 8x minus x square minus 9. These are two curves which touch each other at P. Then the equation of the common tangent at P will be. Your time starts now. Fifteen seconds are up. Time up. All right. So both team Draco and Phoenix had answered, but the correct answer was given by team Draco. And team Phoenix, you gave the wrong answer. I had asked for the equation, not the common point. All right. So here are the final scores. Team Auriga stands first with 60 points. Congratulations. Team Draco also, Team Draco stands second at 60 points, and Team Phoenix stands third at 45 points. These were the final scores. So we have clear winners now. I would like to congratulate all the winners for their performance, and I would like to thank all 6 of you for taking part in this quiz and making this quiz a really memorable event for all of us. I hope I and my friends, we were all able to conduct this quiz well. And acha, one random question. Are any one of you from class 11 or all of you are 12th standard students?
I'm from
I am
class
from
11.
class.
12.
All right, because I personally feel that, you know, the questions were set in a way that the calculus had weightage. So if you were in 11, most probably you did not know integration if that landed by
Yes.
you.
Yeah,
So-
actually, yesterday in the pure mathematics round, I got just 4 out of 80 and I had no chances to qualify. I don't know how I did.
All right, so it's good you qualified and it's good you have secured the third position now. Anyways, congratulations, all the winners, and best of luck to everyone. Those who are in 11, next year you will be in 12th, and I hope to see you again. No, obviously I will not be there. My juniors will conduct the quiz. We hope to see you again. Now, I will end this meeting. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this quiz.
Thank you, sir.